Hello. It's nice to meet you. Now, I'm gonna have to meet some new characters. I can't wait to see Sirena, Rookie, Michael, and all the rest of them. Otherwise, Alex was changed them into Om-Nom animation characters through the week. Alright then, let's get going and see those supporting characters and villains.
Hello, my name is Chuck E. Cheese. Welcome to Chuck E. Cheese's sketchbook. Just follow the easy step-by-step instructions. After you pose, you'll be able to watch me draw your sketch right before your very own eyes.
It's a good thing I can see these new characters. Then occasionally, Sirena, Fox, and other characters are going to join the animation service.
Attention! Forward! March! Hop, 2, 3, 4. Hop, 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 hop.
The ranger isn't gonna like this, Yogi.
Then he will have to talk to the ants, boo-boo. Company, hold. At ease, men.
Smile for Chucky. There, got it.
Amazing! Hee.
Season 8 is here, and all characters arrived.
Thank you for using Chuck E. Cheese's sketchbook. Your sketch is printing and will be ready in less than a minute.
Some characters are arrived, and Season 8 was finally here. For except Alien Fat, Marie, Nurse, and other characters, they'll be working in progress. But soon, I'm gonna have to download Autodesk Maya 2015 until several weeks. So, don't forget to leave a comment and like on this video, and make sure to hit subscribe. Okay then, I'm all done. I'll see you around. Hee hee.